Hello everyone, this is Siddharth Khemka, Head Retail Research at Motilal Oswal. I welcome you all to our series Investment Insights. Today we are here to discuss an exciting opportunity in the defense sector, which is Zen Technologies. Zen Technologies or Zentech is a niche player in the defense simulator based training market and has also ventured into the counter drone market. The addressable markets for these segments in India are estimated at roughly 14,000 crores and 12,000 crores respectively for the next 5 years. Zentech commands a significant market share in both these segments with just a few competitors in each of the segment. We believe that the long-term growth drivers for the defense industry are firmly in place. The Ministry of Defense has rolled out a comprehensive simulation framework to enhance the utilization of simulators by the armed forces as well as the Coast Guards. The Indian simulator market is expected to grow to $1.7 billion by FY29, driven by the government's increased focus on virtual training. Also, the counter-drone market is projected to grow to $1.4 billion by FY29, driven by need to install anti-drone systems across the Indian borders. Zentech has an extensive product portfolio which includes over 40 indigenously designed and developed products, which positions it well to capitalize on these growth opportunities. Zentech has established a strong vendor base for the simulators and has achieved backward integration for the counter-drone solutions, which has resulted in high margins and high return on capital employed. The company has a very healthy order book of 1,400 crores, which is expected to increase at 37% CAGR over the next 3 years. Overall, we expect Zentech's revenue and net profit to grow at 63% and 56% CAGR from FY24 to FY27. The company is also aiming to increase the share of exports from currently 19% to 35% by FY28, which should further boost margins as exports are more profitable. In summary, we believe Zen Technologies is well positioned to benefit from the growing defense simulator and counter-drone markets, supported by a strong financials, comprehensive product portfolio, and strategic market positioning. For more such investment insights, stay tuned to our social media channels and follow Motilal Oswal.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.